You ever try to transfer a file, and it takes so long you start questioning your entire life? Yeah, today we fix that. 3 SSDs, 3 personalities, and one of them might actually replace half your setup. We start with the Sharge Disk Pro, and immediately, this thing does not look like a normal SSD. The box opens like it's hiding classified information, and inside, boom. A futuristic white slab with a built-in cable just sitting there like, yeah, I'm smarter than you. I pick it up, and the first thing I notice is the design. Transparent elements, active cooling vents, and wait, this is not just storage. This is a 5-in-1 USB-C hub. This SSD really said, why be normal when you can be extra? Now we move to the Lexar Professional Go SSD, and the vibe instantly changes. The box is smaller, cleaner, less dramatic, but the moment I hold it, I get it. This thing is tiny, like I might lose this in 10 minutes tiny. It feels rugged though, like it's ready for outdoor shoots, accidental drops, and probably surviving your chaotic filming schedule. It's simple but confident, no nonsense. Finally, the SanDisk Extreme PRO SSD enters the scene like the final boss. The packaging opens, and there it is. That iconic, rugged design with the loop. It feels solid, slightly heavier, and honestly, this is the SSD that looks like it's already judging your slow laptop. Now comes the satisfying part, plugging them in. The Sharge Disk Pro immediately feels like a multi-tool. You plug it in, and suddenly you've got extra ports, storage, and a cooling system working like it's running a mini data center. It's like this SSD came with a personality. And that personality is overachiever. The Lexar SSD, on the other hand, is all about simplicity. Plug it in, and it just works. No drama, no extra features, just clean, fast storage. This is the kind of device that doesn't talk much, but gets the job done better than everyone else. And then, the SanDisk Extreme Pro. Oh boy. You plug it in, and it feels like something serious is about to happen. This is not casual storage. This is, I edit 4K videos and don't have time for nonsense storage. Now we actually test them, because looks don't transfer files, speed does. The Sharge Disk Pro pushes up to 10 gigabits per second with USB 3.2 Gen 2, and thanks to active cooling, it doesn't slow down halfway through like some SSDs that just give up on life mid-transfer. It stays consistent, which is honestly underrated. The Lexar SSD hits around 1050 megabytes per second, and this is where it shines. It's optimized for recording Apple ProRes at 4K 60 frames per second, which basically means if you're using an iPhone 15 or 16 for content creation, this thing is your best friend. And then the SanDisk Extreme Pro casually drops up to 2000 megabytes per second. Files don't transfer, they vanish. It's using USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, which basically means if your device supports it, this SSD becomes an absolute monster. Now, let's stop pretending we're all tech reviewers and talk about real life. If you're someone juggling multiple devices, cameras, and accessories, the Sharge Disk Pro is insane. The built-in hub means fewer dongles, fewer cables, and less chaos. It's like carrying a mini workstation in your pocket. If you're a mobile creator, filming on your phone, editing on the go, the Lexar SSD is perfect. It's lightweight, durable, and designed for exactly that workflow. No extras, no distractions, just reliability. But if you're dealing with massive files, heavy editing, or professional workloads, the SanDisk Extreme Pro just dominates. It's fast, tough, and built for serious work. Based on my personal opinion, the Sharge Disk Pro is easily the most unique. It's innovative, powerful, and super versatile, but also slightly bulky and maybe too much if you just want simple storage. The Lexar SSD is the most practical. It's compact, rugged, and reliable, but it doesn't chase crazy speeds like the others. It knows its role and plays it perfectly. The SanDisk Extreme Pro is the performance king. Insane speeds, strong build, but it can heat up a bit and needs the right ports to truly shine. Otherwise, you're not unlocking its full potential. Which one is the winner? If you want something futuristic that does everything, go for the Sharge Disk Pro. If you want something simple, reliable, and perfect for mobile content creation, go for the Lexar SSD. But if you want raw speed and power, no compromises, the SanDisk Extreme PRO is the one. At this point, the only slow thing left in my setup is me. So yeah, pick your SSD wisely, because your storage shouldn't be the reason your dreams are buffering. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, probably still trying to figure out where I saved my files.